Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, a single mom of 3 who has been snowed in with her kids for a week now. I live in Kentucky and we were hit with a really bad snowstorm, but today I am taking charge and restoring order of my downstairs area. I'm gonna tidy my kitchen and my living room, and my kids might pop in throughout my video here and there. If you're like me and need cleaning motivation, let this video play and let's clean along. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. But I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.